Well, hello there and welcome to today's video. Back at the bend, this time no comp, no pressure. It's Locktoberfest, so plenty of track time. A couple of novelty events too. We're going to be doing a grip session with some timers, also speed drift. So that is going to be a lot of fun. It's obviously decided to also piss down because it's been a beautiful week leading up to the weekend. Now it's thunderstorms, but at least we get some tyre life, I guess. The rig behind me, didn't even have to take it off the trailer, seems to be going all right. I've done a couple of laps already. And yeah, this video is going to be a whole bunch of in and around car footage, driving. Probably not a lot of talking, probably not a lot of storyline, but I hope you like that style of video because it's the one you're going to get. The bonnet pin back on. There's only two of them. Can you put my bonnet pin in? Nice little wall touch-ups. Ah, here we go, that was it. So, time attack, here's a narrated lap for you. Coming up to the straight here, end up getting the fourth gear as you come up onto the flat part. Don't want to get too close to that wall like Stewie figured out. That's where all the water runs off the wall, and very easy to aquaplane. Nice outside line here, trying to make this as open as possible, keep all that corner speed, and just tap the inside of the right-hander. Through here, still in third gear, didn't want to hit boost. The second you did, the car jumped sideways. A little bit too far, missed the apex there, and then probably want a late apex I found coming out of here was best to get the car straight and get it ready for the fastest part of the track coming out of the quad kink. Bit of third gear and even a tad of fourth gear. Bang that ripple strip like you're in a supercar. And yeah, coming around to the last corner of the track, this is another one you wanted to get right. Didn't quite get as close to those tyre stacks as I would have liked to get that as open as possible, but yeah, third and fourth gear and ready for another lap. I reckon Bogger might have just got me. It was close, but I reckon he might have just got me. So this is David, he's a family friend. He came out to run in the passenger seat with us. He used to race Speedway and loved his Skylines before he got injured. Yeah, just pull that. So we thought we'd take him out for a couple laps in the Skyline, and he absolutely loved it. Alright, hands down here.
Just keep your arms.
Yep, that's
Yep.
on.
Cool.
Right, put your hands there. Keep your hands crossed.
How's that? There's so many people spinning. Having fun?
Buddy?
No worries. We finally got a thumbs up. We got a thumbs up.
Get at the finger. Is he alright?
Yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oh.
I believe we got 20 minutes.
That's black D next to,
I think we got 20 minutes.
on your handle too.
So Sunday morning here, and wouldn't you believe it, it's sunny now. So at least we get some dry running this weekend. Figured out last night it blew out the turbo to manifold gasket and had some pretty severe boost leak or exhaust gas leak. So that wasn't helping the situation with the car yesterday. Anyway, we couldn't find another gasket, pulled the turbo off, got some copper ease, and yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Big thanks to Jess, she gave me a hand to do it, and she ended up finishing off the job because I had to go and do some volley stuff, so big thanks to her. Yeah, a couple of more sessions and then I think it's going to be the end of the day, but she's looking a bit muddy, to be honest. I did a good job of pirouetting into the dirt yesterday for big entry comp, so it's going to need a bit of a power wash after this one, I'll tell you that much. More grip this thing has compared to yours.
Mine's like...
Well, another event done. We had a good time this weekend. It was pretty chill, not too many issues, lots of laps, and good to give Jess and Phil a chance to drive a car with a bit more power. So it's part of the sort of fun part about this car is you can chuck the keys to anyone. Really doesn't make too much of a difference when it comes to the aesthetics, and well, I treat it much meaner than they will ever will. So yeah, overall, sick weekend, probably the last drift event of the season. Big shout out to the whole DSA crew for putting on these events, and yeah, it's been a long year. So next video is probably going to be wifey's first track day, and yeah, then I'll probably see you in 2023. Anyway, peace.